This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz C300. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 44,000 miles. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.